What's up, everybody? This is KingsleyBreaks.com. We are doing a quick one box break, 2016-17 Upper Deck Black Hockey. One box break, two random teams, number 9. So, second to last box we have in stock available, guys. Here's the dice roller. Here's a list of names from Colin all the way down to Chris, who grabs the last 9 spots, and Last Spot Mojo. Good luck. We got the Ducks to the Jets at the bottom. Dice roller. Roll it. A 1 and a 2, so 3 times on the list of names. And the teams in this break, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. After 3 times, we roll a 3. Brian Matoy at the top. Chris, you're at the bottom. Alright, now 3 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, and 3. After 3 times, as always, Kings on the top. San Jose Sharks at the bottom. Alright, so Brian, you have the Kings and Blue Jackets. Chris with the Sens. Colin with the Rangers. Chris, you have the Lightning, Leafs, Islanders, Panthers. Brian with the Bruins. Joe Fagundes with the Caps. Chris with the Oilers, Sabres, Avalanche. Nat with the Penguins. Joe with the Blackhawks. Chris, Wild, Hurricanes, Flames, and the Canucks. Nate Stone with the Devils. Chris with the Stars, Yotes. Nate, you have the Winnipeg Jets. Chris with the Red Wings. Brian with the Ducks. Colin with the Blues. Chris with the Flyers. Chris with the Canadiens. Nat, you have the Preds. And Chris with the San Jose Sharks. So let me alphabetize this sheet really quick. Show the teams again one last time. So if you guys want to get a break moving, if you guys want to see your teams, there it is right there. Give you guys a couple minutes. I'll give you guys a minute, sorry. I'm going to post another Black Hockey break. The last one we have in stock, guys, number 10, will be in the store. Alright, guys, well, don't think there's going to be any trades. Let's just trade window close this. And we'll open up another random generator. There were 5 boxes total. Only have 2 boxes left. We'll see which box it's going to be for this break. Alright, so there's your teams right there, just in case you missed the randomizing part. I'll show the list again one last time. Good luck to everybody in this break. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate it. Good luck. Can't really see your Last Spot Mojo teams, but because I didn't do it, but I think it was Dallas and Edmonton, your Last Spot Mojos. Right there. Box 1 and 3 are the last 2 boxes of the case. Let's generate one of these boxes. And it's going to be box 3. First time. Box 3 is available. So we'll be doing this one. This box will be for the last break we have available in the store, which is number 10. Alright, guys. I'm going to use this blank to cover up some hits, just in case it's needed. Got that horn. Doug Gilmour That is 98 of 299. Toronto Maple Leafs going to Chris. Next one. We have a Kasperi Kapanen Black Illustrious Rookies. 39 of 299. Just 2 off the jersey number. Another hit for the Leafs and Chris. Next one. We have Bobby Clarke Cup Coronations. That is 16 of 99 and the ink. Nice one right there. Flyers also going to Chris. Nice hit right there, Chris. We have Aaron Ekblad for the Panthers. Star Trademarks, Relics. Panthers going to Chris as well. And the last one, guys. Good luck. It's a left winger. It's a king. It is Lucky Luke Robitaille. Nice one for the LA Kings. Pro penmanship. Highest scoring left winger of all time right there. Luke Robitaille. LA Kings. Brian Matoy and the Kings. Also, too, that Bobby Clarke Cup Coronations deserves one of these as well. Pretty sweet card. What jersey number was he? Could that be his jersey number? What number was Bobby Clarke for the Flyers? Well, there you go, guys. That was the break. That was Black Hockey 1-box break number 9. Number 10 is in the store. Last box we have in stock right here. Number 1. Get it going. KingsleyBreaks.com. My name's Jason. See you guys.